So what if there was a way to double your revenue? How? By tweaking a few words on your sales copy and getting more prospects to buy. So let's say for every 100 prospects that view your sales copy, 5 of them take action and buy your product. So that's a 5% conversion rate, right? So now by tweaking a few words here and there in your sales copy, how about doubling that to 10%? That's the power of copywriting. Copywriting is using powerful words to sell, to convince, to help people take action. The right words can get your prospect to take action and buy. And the wrong words can just get your prospect to click away. And keep in mind that this is not because your product is good or not. The sales of your product has nothing to do with how good is your product. It depends on how good you are at presenting its features and benefits. It depends on how good you are to convince your prospect to take action and to take action right now. You can have the best product out there, the product that would 100% solve your prospect's problem, the perfect product. But if you don't know how to sell it, if you don't know how to present it, if you don't know what's going on in your prospect mindset when reading your sales copy, then nobody will take action and nobody will buy it. Nobody. So to sell your product, you need a strategy. That's why copywriting is important. Your prospect wants to have his hand held through his buying journey. We need to help the prospect to make the right choice and make this choice a no-brainer. From discovering your product, understanding why your product solves his problem, understanding why he should trust you to get his result, and then convincing him to take action right now and not wait any longer. So by carefully selecting powerful words, the copywriter at first hooks the prospect into the copy. Then he characterizes precisely the prospect's problem. And then he presents the solution and convinces why this product works. And usually finishes by a no-brainer guarantee. So you see, this is not about your company. This is not about your products. This is about solving your prospect problem. So there you go. Copywriting is not just important, it is mandatory if you want to sell and if you want to scale.